Palantir Technologies was founded in 2003. The company specializes in big data analytics. It was co-founded by Peter Thiel. Mr. Thiel was the co-founder of PayPal and also an early investor in Facebook. His $500K early investment in Facebook fetched him $1 billion when he sold off in 2012. The company gave a demo of its product on the Palantir Day. To give a perspective, Palantir integrated more than 2 billion data points related to the COVID-19 outbreak. The decision makers could use this data and identify patterns which were hidden deep within data and make intelligent decisions. Palantir has three main products. Palantir Gotham, which is used by military and defense agencies. This AI platform can be deployed not only on the servers, but it can be deployed on the battlefield, on the nodes, in the Humvees, submarines, aircrafts, surveillance systems, etc. Gotham is an OS and an AI platform. As the sensors collect data, the AI platform analyzes the data and the data is shared between the nodes. Now, this is an edge platform. An edge platform is where the software is deployed close to the sensor or the origin of data. The data can be processed before it is sent to the cloud. This reduces processing time from hours to seconds. Gotham creates a data fabric between the different edges by sharing the data. The decision makers, not only at the headquarters, but also on the field, can use the Gotham interface and make split-second decisions. Governments use Gotham not only on the battlefield, but in life-saving situations. During Hurricane Florence that hit the Carolinas during 2018, the team deployed Gotham on the field. Using the data from flood systems and weather information, Gotham zeroed in on the communities that were in real dire need of assistance. As the help requests came in, Gotham used the modules to triage those requests and dispatch units. All the information was collected and presented to the operation teams in form of analytics. Due to this huge data analysis advantage, Palantir got several government contracts. In December 2020, Palantir was awarded a $44 million contract with the US Food and Drug Administration. Palantir provided its data and analytics platform for the FDA. This contract represented Palantir's largest partnership with FDA. In September 2020, the company was awarded a $91 million contract with the US Army Research Laboratory to provide AI and machine learning capabilities. The coronavirus outbreak has opened new areas where Palantir software can be deployed. An agency associated with the National Institute of Health awarded a $36 million contract to Palantir. This software would be used for cancer and coronavirus research. N3C is an organization that runs under the NIH, and it maintains the largest data assets related to the coronavirus outbreak. They have used Palantir's software to integrate data from more than 1 million patients. All this was done within a matter of a few weeks. Palantir's product Foundry allows organizations to analyze huge data sets and make intelligent decisions. The data is presented to operators and analysts. Foundry is being used by many commercial enterprises worldwide. Organizations today generate huge amounts of data, and these data are generated in many different places. Palantir's Foundry takes all this data and mashes it into a data platform. On top of this platform, intelligent insights are built for the users. The key thing in data is to surface the right data to the right people. Foundry is being used by many supply chain companies to better manage their inventories and reduce wastage. Foundry is being used across different industries like healthcare, energy, utilities. Palantir's team has built custom use cases for the Foundry modules. When the Foundry is deployed across industries and organizations, these specific use cases for specific industries help organizations quickly deliver insights to the users. An oil and gas customer, which is one of the largest energy industries in the world, has realized about $315 million of savings by using Palantir's Foundry software. The organization estimates that it will realize more than $1 billion of savings in the coming years. Palantir also closed a $300 million renewal contract with one of the largest aircraft agencies in the world. Consumer good companies are using Palantir's Foundry software to address the supply chain disruptions. Palantir is also growing its international operations. The company has a partnership with Sompo Holdings, which is one of the largest insurance carriers in Japan. The nursing care provider of Japan selected Palantir as its strategic partner in 2020. In January of 2021, Palantir was awarded a $22.5 million contract from Sompo Holdings. Fujitsu awarded an $8 million contract to Palantir and started distributing Foundry modules. United Kingdom used Palantir's Foundry software to distribute more than 2.9 billion masks and other personal protective equipment during the coronavirus pandemic. The company also has a significant presence outside of North America in Mexico, Middle East, and Asia. The third product of Palantir is its Apollo platform. Palantir software is so complex and is deployed across a wide range of use cases. It is deployed in submarines, aircrafts, Humvees, surveillance systems. The AI modules and models run on the edge and in the cloud. Also, different customers have different cloud requirements. Some of the customers run their clouds on Azure, while some others run on AWS, and some of them have their own private cloud infrastructure. To manage the deployment of the Palantir software across all these different stacks, Apollo was developed as a single continuous delivery solutions. From the developer's keyboards, Apollo enables the software to be developed across all these different use cases. Apollo is the layer that runs between Gotham and Foundry and the developer toolkit. It makes the developers agnostic to the end use case where Palantir software is running. With a single click, Palantir software can be deployed real time. There is no user downtime or human intervention during this deployment process. I hope that gave you an understanding of Palantir's different products. I had analyzed the Palantir stock when it announced its first earning report, and you should see that video here on the end screen. In that video, I have analyzed the Palantir stock from a long-term holding perspective, and I hope to see you in that video. Thanks for watching.